In this video, you are learning ReactJs forms. In the last video, you have seen how a simple form can be created and how the data can be passed from the HTML part to JS section in ReactJs form. In this video, I will show you how to make modification in the existing form and how you can make the form concise or compact. So if we see this form, everything is fine, but suppose there are 10, 15 and maybe uh, more fields. So for each field we have set here use state, but for this we will make changes here, and uh, we will make it compact. So let's comment this whole section rather. Not whole section, because we need to then make modification here also. So let me do one thing here. Let's comment it completely, and then okay, here we will make modification in this section. So rather than all these, we will take a single use state here, const form data, then update form data. That's it, single, not more than that. Okay, and also this handle change, or we can do this. Let's write here this handle change, handle submit. Okay, then let's delete these everything from here, and then no, not actually, let's keep it okay. So this was fine, handle submit is also fine. Inside this, let's delete this. Okay, and here let's update form data, then we will write. So that means what, when we click on this function, then this update form data will be activated. Here we will use spread operator form data. Which one? This one. Okay, and then comma here. So e dot target dot value. So it will be not actually event, it will be event dot target dot value. In here will be like this. So rather than that long process, you can see this long process, we have just made it a compact. Okay, so whatever data will be coming here, it will be stored one by one. That means it is more of like array concatenation. And below here we need to make some changes, and let's make it handle change. Okay, handle change, and in handle change it's not required actually. Let's write here one more function. So this function is here, handle change, and then let's create here one more function, const handle submit. This time handle submit. Okay, equals to event function inside this. So here we will write console.log, then this form data. We will show here the value of form data after clicking, and e.prevent.default, it will be actually here, not the top. So what will happen whenever user will be typing in text field, then this function will run, and when the user will click on submit button, then this function will run. And here we will make modification on change, handle change. Simple. As you can see, this is very simple. Handle change, all for same. Now you can see the form is now more compact and more readable. So what will happen, let me explain you this. For example, this is our first name. Let me copy here and do comparison so that you can understand. Okay, when we type something here, then through this handle change, each and every event is taken here. And suppose I wrote here Umar, then later Rahman. So all the data through this event or target or value is passed here, and finally this is concatenated here. Okay, as you know, this is spread operator. Through the spread operator, each uh, array string is concatenated here. So Umar, Rahman, everything will be inside this. So when the user will click on submit button, then the whole data can be passed here through this form data. So now let's see the action. Okay, so there's some error. It says E is not defined. Yeah, it's right, because we have written event everywhere. So it will be event rather than E at this place. Event dot target dot value. So now if you refresh, the form is same. Now let's fill up the form and check the value. Still, so there is some error. App is visual manage missing or render nothing, return null. Okay, because we have closed here return also, that is right. No, return in here. Oh, we need to remove this one. Yes, now it's fine. So let me write here Umar Rahman email, then 1 2 3 4 5. Now let's submit, and yes, as you can see, the data is passing as a JSON format. So this is actually the practical procedure of handling submitted data. So don't be confused here. Let's understand it in 3 steps. First, you created the form, and here this is submit. There are two functions actually. Handle submit, that means when user clicks on submit button after filling up the complete form, right? And these are for each value of the form field. So when user types each character, it is accumulated here, and finally it is sent to form data. Let me show you how this works. Console.log, then through this your keyboard event is taken each character. Okay, if you want to see this, then let me show you here. Let's open console and type something. You can see each character I'm typing, it is coming here, right? Each character I'm typing, it's coming here. So this is how this handle change works. And finally, when you have typed, for example, Umar, then this data is concatenated here in form data. Again, you have typed here Rahman, then it goes to form data. So you remember, first thing you need to declare here user state, which will be blank, then handle change, that means when user will type, so this is this section, and when user has finished typing, then this will be this section. And here in form method, you have form you need to pass here, and on change simply one line code, so in every text field. So that's it in this video, and in the next video I will show you form validation using React form library. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.